Hi all, today we are going to discuss about Oracle VirtualBox. So Oracle VirtualBox is a software, it's a freeware software. Freeware means it's a freely available over the internet. You can download it, install it without any serial key, serial number, nothing required. You can use for your study and commercial purpose both. No license required for that. Okay. So what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is a software that let you run multiple operating system as a virtual machine on your native machine. That means this is my laptop is a native machine. You can run multiple virtual machine over this machine laptop. And this is the native machine. Or another thing is VirtualBox allow you to run multiple operating system on a single physical host. The same thing. Okay. So first we will see from where we can download Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. So this is the URL is already open on my laptop, www.virtualbox.org. Okay, if you hit this page, it will directly go to this page. From this page, you will able to see download link, download VirtualBox 5.2, and download link is available. You can click anywhere, download VirtualBox. Both are landing on the same page. Okay, for Windows, I will click here. It will get download. Okay, so I already downloaded. I am just pausing this video. So as you can see, this is on my desktop exe file. I will double click on this to install this. It's asking for next. Then here all the default XP I am using. I am not changing anything. Location you can change. Program file Oracle VirtualBox you can browse and change it. I am just clicking on next as I require this in a default one. Create a shortcut, startup menu, shortcut for quick launch bar, registry. So I don't require this quick launch bar. I'm clicking on next. Then it's showing network interface warning because it will create a temporary virtual network interface in your system. So I'm okay with that. Okay, click on install. So it's a very light software. It will consume very less memory. So it's quite good to install. See, it's very fast. And see, the icon is already created. Still in the process. This checkbox will allow you to, once you finish, it automatically get pop up. It means it application get start automatically. So I click on finish. It's already open now. So this is the Oracle virtual machine VirtualBox manager. Okay, here you can use new machine and all the things. This thing we will discuss in the next video. This video was about to how to install VirtualBox only. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.